So now we're gonna start with binary representation, and we're gonna work a little bit with some logic things and some gates, and we're gonna keep on going that for a while. Okay? So first of all, whenever we talk about binary representation, we need to talk about numbering systems. So in our daily lives, we work with some system. So that system is you think about it for a little while is the decimal one. So let me just get my pen, and there you go. So we work with decimal. And why is it called decimal? The smallest number that we can represent here is like 0, and the biggest one is it 9 or 10. Sometimes you're gonna tell me 10, but no, the biggest number we can represent with our decimal system is 9. Okay, it's called decimal because we have 10 symbols. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that 9 over there shouldn't be that far, but okay, I'll just get rid of it. And there you go, there isn't. So, we had like 9 symbols. Well, 10 symbols that goes from 0 to 9. Now, everything that we work has like powers of 10. That is, for example, if we write a number 28, that is like having an 8 plus a 20. Okay, and that is exactly the same as writing 8 times 10 to the 0 plus 2 times 10 to the 1. Okay, that makes sense. But if you remember your junior high school or middle school classes, you should remember that there was a specific order for this. We start writing the biggest powers to the left and the smallest powers to the right. That is, if we have number, I know, 132, that would be 1 times 10 to the 2 plus 3 times 10 to the 1 plus 2 times 10 to the 0. Okay, all of them are in powers of 10. That's the word I wanted to get to. Powers of 10. Okay, so let's say we have a big number. Let me change color first, and then we'll have a big number. We'll get a purple color too. So let's say we have a number that's like 43,891. Okay, so this one, 4, you can tell me it's a 40,000? Yeah, that's true. But that is the most significant digit. Most significant digit. Oh, oh, that's funny. Oh, why does it get erased? Oh, it's funny. Well, nevertheless, more significant digit. Okay? And this one that's over here, this is the last significant digit. Okay? What does that mean? That means that the one that has like more weight or of my number is that 4, that means the one on the left, and the one that contributes the less is the 1. Okay? And we of course can express it in powers of 10, and it would be like writing, where are you? It would be like writing 4 times 10 to the 4 plus 3 times 10 to the 3 plus 8 times 10 to the 2 plus 9 times 10 to the 1 plus 1 times 10 to the 0.